Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Once again, we in the Reserve Bank stand resolute and in readiness to defend the economy and navigate out of the current storm. Let me now turn to the decisions and deliberations of the Monetary Policy Committee. Against this backdrop, the Monetary Policy Committee, that is MPC, met on 6th, 7th, and 8th April, and based on an assessment of the macroeconomic situation and the outlook, voted unanimously to keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 4%. The MPC also decided unanimously to remain accommodative while focusing on withdrawal of accommodation to ensure that inflation remains within the target going forward while supporting growth. The marginal standing facility, that is MSF rate and bank rate, remain unchanged at 4.25%. Further, it has been decided by the Reserve Bank to restore the width of the liquidity adjustment facilities, that is the LAF, LAF, that is the LAF corridor, to 50 basis points, 50 to 50 basis points, the position that prevailed before the pandemic. The floor of the corridor will now be provided by the newly instituted Standing Deposit Facility, SDF, which will be placed 25 basis points below the repo rate, that is at 3.75%. Real GDP rose by 8.9% in 21-22. Private consumption and fixed investment, key drivers of the domestic demand, however, remain subdued, with these two components being only 1.2% and 2% respectively above their pre-pandemic levels. On the supply side, contact-intensive services still trail the 2019-20 level. Nevertheless, the Indian economy is steadily reviving from its pandemic-induced contraction.